Welcome to Code Your Problems. Okay, to connect your form to email.js, you will actually have to add some scripts like this. And this so exactly where we will have to add these. First, go to your site's dashboard and from there go to your website setting. After that here you will find a custom code section. So here right now you are not seeing anything because I do not have any paid plan for this site. I am attaching a screenshot of how it will look like. Two sections will be there. Head code and footer code, but you will have to add those scripts into the footer code area. Or if you have any page-specific poem and you want to add those scripts specific to only that page, go back to your website designing mode. Select your page and go inside its settings. At extreme bottom of the setting you will find a custom code section here. Same as before, you are not seeing anything because I do not have any paid plan, so I am attaching another screenshot. Here you will find two sections here, one for the header and one for the footer. Add those scripts into the footer area. I am going to use my browser console. You have to copy these scripts and paste into your code editor. As it is, I cannot actually add the scripts like this into the console, so I am adding the script using another code. That's how console works. Don't worry, it will work the same, so where you can see another script, but right here in console you actually don't have to add those scripts. Actually just pasting the main line of code to initiate email.js. And for that you will need a public key. You must have created your email.js account. So in email.js go to the account section and here you will find your public key. Copy that and paste it into your code editor in place of this. After that you will have to add another script. There are two methods. The one is using email.js.send and another by using email.js.sendForm. Today we are going to use email.js.send method, and in that case we will require service ID template params and your public key again. So we actually want to initiate this code when we will hit submit on or so for that I am actually going to add an event listener, submit. I am using vanilla JavaScript here. To add event listener, we will specify our form by using its class. Go back to Webflow and copy the form class from here. And paste it with dashes in between, because if you go and see into the elements, the form class is written with the dashes in between. So back to the console. Add event listener and submit. It's basic JavaScript syntax for adding event listener. According to the documents, we will need to add a params object. So we will create an object with name and email. You can use only email too. Because we don't have any names input field for this form, I'm just writing a custom name here. And for email I'm accessing the email input field by using its ID. You can use class from here also. But for the ID go to the settings. You can edit your custom class or ID. Publish your changes. After that we will have to copy this and paste it here. We will need a service ID here. So for that go back to email.js and add a new service, connect your service and create. Open it and copy the service ID, paste it in here. Then we need a template ID, for that go to the email template section. Create a template and edit it using designing editor. Note that the names in object we used for the submitted name and email are going to use here. Edit your template accordingly. Just edit from name, from email or any other field you have in your form. And save changes. Make sure your email. Finally go to settings and copy the template ID and paste it here. Edit this with your object name above, params. You can remove this .next and .catch function here. This is just to track success or failure response in submission. Type any email and hit submit. Success 200. Just ignore this MailChimp error. Go back to email.js and check your email history. Oh, we received an object. Let me see. Sorry, we forgot to add .value in here. Now again submit your form. Let's get back to email.js and check email history again. Let's open it. And here we received our submit name and email. Also, if we go to contact section, there is no contact here, so if you want to add your submission into your contacts also, go to email templates, click contact. In here you will see a checkbox for save contacts and also edit contact email with the same name you are sending through forms parameters and contact name as well. Click save. Go to your website, submit your form again. And here you received the email. And it has been added to your contacts list also. Let's submit the form with another email. Success. And here you go. In short, you just need to add this whole script into your custom code editor. Just make sure to replace public ID, service ID, and template ID with yours.